Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Motorcycle Vision. My name is Steve. Still in northern Jersey, high 50s today. Actually took a vacation day. It is the day after Thanksgiving, and I took the day off to kind of enjoy the day after Thanksgiving and to take out my bike, especially since they said the temperature is going to be in the high 50s. Like I said, I have no intention of winterizing my bike. I will use it every chance I can until I can't stand the weather anymore. Then I'll stay inside the garage and polish it. Hope you all had a good Thanksgiving. We did. We had a 2020 COVID impacted Thanksgiving. Not that anybody had COVID, thank God, but we did the Zoom thing. So we had my sister's family on Zoom, my mom on Zoom, and us on Zoom. And my mom was concerned because she's in her 80s, so she didn't want to go over to the house for Thanksgiving because I work and I'm in contact with a lot of people. My daughter works, contact with a lot of people. My son's from college, blah, blah, blah. So she was concerned. So we used Zoom. So my mom is in her 80s. She's afraid. And she doesn't understand how to work a computer. So I see the humor in the situation of the story I'm about to tell you, but we did it anyway because it made everybody happy. So my mom's afraid to come in contact with us for COVID. Okay, I understand that. So she tells me to come over, bring a laptop, hook it up into her house, so then set up the Zoom call, get it all set up, and my wife, who's making dinner for everybody, prepared the food in our house and brought it over to my mom. So essentially, yeah, you're shielding from COVID, but we're cooking the food, we're delivering the food, and we're hanging out in your house setting up a laptop and setting up Zoom. Then on top of that, there was a point where, you know, it's a MacBook, so she touched the touchpad and all of a sudden all these windows opened up. So I had to leave the house, go back to her house a second time to clear the screen so she could see us again. And then after, we went back again to shut down the laptop, break it down, and take it home. And there were some extras in there, like my mom's hard of hearing, so I set up these speakers wired to the MacBook, you know, amplified speakers, so it'd be nice and loud. As I said, I see the humor in this situation. You don't want to come over because you're afraid of COVID, but you had me come over 3 or 4 times, and we brought over your food that we cooked at our house, but you're safe. Okay, I get it. Welcome to another COVID-impacted festival. So my son is on the quest for the PS5, as is, it seems, the rest of the country. Everybody's PS5 hunting. So he wakes up 4 o'clock in the morning to get to a GameStop to stand online to hear that all you're going to get is a raffle ticket. And we'll call you if it's you, but most likely it probably won't be you. That's one of those where you just have to learn for yourself, because if I had told him that, you know, they're not going to have it. You're like, Dad, you spoiled my fun. Dad, you did this. Okay. Wake up at 4. See you later. Let me know how that plays out for you. Didn't play out all that well. I did see some of these PS5s for sale on Amazon. So there are $500 devices going for like $1,200. Seriously. You don't need it that bad. Nobody needs it that bad. You can wait. Anyway, it is the holiday season, so we just came out of Thanksgiving, which means we're in the weeks now between Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's. This is actually one of my favorite times to be at work because right now it's kind of like everybody's on vacation, everybody's calming down. There's so many people that are going to be out of the office, I'm watching the squirrels crossing the street as if you watch my previous video, I have a problem with squirrels and motorcycles. Anyway, everybody's in and out of the office, so they really don't have hard deadlines. The meetings are backing off. It's going to be nice for a couple of weeks. Then comes January when everybody, we have to finish everything right away. We don't know what we want, but we want it right away. This is the point of the video where everybody signs off, but you know what? If you can, throw me a like or a comment or subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything to do it, and it just makes me feel good to know somebody's looking at it or somebody's paying attention to these videos. Just drop me a line, subscribe, comment, like, do something. Just like I said, it doesn't cost you anything, but it makes me feel good. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Drive safely. Bye-bye.